Hi guys! I just came back from swimming and I'm going out with my friends for dinner in an hour. Let's do some makeup. I hope you guys have all been doing well lately. And thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. I bought myself 4 makeup brushes to celebrate 4,000 subbies. I'm very grateful and this feels unreal. Like imagine 4,000 people in real life. You could fill up more than a whole shopping mall. It's a bit too wide. No problems, we can fix that. It's been really hot here lately. My friends and I have been going out to swimming a lot lately. It's very fun, but I also get very tired and hungry afterwards. Cream blush? We're going out to a new Thai restaurant later. This is not what I'm going to wear, I'm just too tired to change right now. I was in the water for almost 2 hours. My fingers got all wrinkly and I left the pool. Cute blush. Let me put on some lenses. I feel like I'm not doing any steps in order today. But that's alright, it's all about having fun. My eyes look very glowy now. If your foundation is too light for you, then just put on some bronzer or contour powder on the outer perimeter of the face, like this side where natural shadows would be, the border between the neck and the face, and a little bit on the outer part on the forehead. Don't try to fix it with a yellow concealer or something, you will make it worse. Now for eyeshadow, I've been on makeup low buy for a few months now and I've been buying a lot less makeup than I used to, but this palette is what I bought during this time. I held it in hand in the store one day and I thought the case looked super pretty and the shades are super useful. So yeah, let's play with it. It looks a lot darker in person, by the way. So how have you guys been doing this summer? It's getting a lot hotter lately, so remember to wear sunscreen and drink lots of water. I bought a pencil brush to really get into the lower lash line. That feels very comfortable. I stopped buying new makeup, but I didn't hold back on makeup brushes. Not the darker shade. What's your guys' favorite category to spend money on when it comes to beauty products? For me, it's eyeshadow and blush. I really like them. Cute eye bags. And then I bought this brush to highlight the under eye. Let me try the shimmery shade. Ooh, it's loose scattered shimmer. I love that. And put shimmer on the inner corner. Now I don't need to use my pinkies. Now I will apply mascara and eyeliner. I opened a compact mirror and there was no... the sticker was on it. Here we go. Some nose contour. The wing's a bit too long, but it's okay. Using this pretty highlighter. On the way back from swimming, I found this cute pink headphones from Miniso. Isn't this pink color so pretty? And they are wired. I haven't used wired headphones in a long time. And they were super cheap as well. I remember buying a pair of very cheap wired headphones in a neon green color when I was a teenager, but I don't know where they are now. Lipstick, I want to use this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. I'm not sure I can make it look good. Every time I apply it, I think it will look good like all those models on Charlotte Tilbury. Whenever Charlotte Tilbury apply lipstick on them, every shade looked good. But it's far from that when I use it. I quickly got changed. These earrings are so cute. Some powder over the face. We don't want to look oily.